Hello guys, this is Pranjal Chamaria, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install Dualboot with Windows 11 and Ubuntu 22. So let's start. First of all, we need to have Windows 11 as well as Ubuntu installed. Then we are going to start the Windows machine. Just going to start it. Just restoring the virtual machine. Let us wait for some time. Okay, that is done. Now we need to search for diskmg empty. We'll click on create and format hard disk partitions. So basically what we're trying to do is split the memory into two so that we can also use Ubuntu in the same memory. We enlarge it. It wants me to sign in first. Yeah, let me get done with that. I don't even know if I remember my password. Okay, so yeah, that's correct. Next. So now we will click on. So as mentioned earlier, we are going to split the memory for Windows and Ubuntu. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click here. We're going to click on shrink volume, and then we will be shrinking it to 35,000 MB, and we will click on shrink. So we can see that a free space has been created here. Now we will close this and we'll shut this down. So the next step is we will click on settings. We will go to storage, and then we will be adding the ISO file of the Ubuntu 22. We will click on add optical drive, and we will add the ISO file which we have previously downloaded. It was in downloads. This is the file. We'll open and we'll choose this file. So now the ISO file of Ubuntu has been added to the storage of Windows 11. We'll click on OK. So the next step is to start Windows again. We will click on start. It is taking some time. We'll wait for it to open, and it has opened up. So now we have restarted the Windows virtual machine, and now we will click on the power button, and we'll try to restart it, but we won't restart it normally. We'll press the shift button and then click on restart. So now we'll click on USB to user device, then we'll click on this option. Okay, as we can see, Ubuntu has been opened up. We'll click on try or install Ubuntu. And now we'll set up Ubuntu as usual. So now we'll be following the normal procedure of setting up Ubuntu. We'll be choosing English as our language. We'll click on install Ubuntu. English, it's fine. We'll click on continue. We'll go for minimal installation because we don't really need the other applications. And then, so now we'll click on continue. And we'll wait for the installation to happen. Oh yes, install now. Continue. We'll choose our location, just hit continue. I'll enter my name. We'll choose a password. Confirm the password here. We'll log in automatically and then we'll continue. Now it is just copying the file. So the installation is complete after very long, thanks to Asima Wi-Fi. And now we're going to restart the computer. Sorry, we're going to restart the machine. And let's hope we get options for both. So as we can see, we have gotten both the options, Ubuntu and Windows Boot Manager. So our dual boot is successfully completed. Thank you.